Good morning, KA. This is Mrs. Rohrig. I want to start by saying hello, KA sweet kids. I hope that you all had a great weekend with your family. What was the favorite thing you did? Love, Mrs. Rohrig. I encourage you to share what your favorite thing that you did was over the weekend with your family members. For our greeting today, I want to do a good morning with silly voices. So silly voices, some of the things that we've used before are cowboy voices, whisper, baby, underwater, scary, squeaky. One of my favorites is the underwater good morning. So I want to say, good morning. For our sharing activity, I do want to share my wows and pows. So a wow that I had over the weekend was I got to put up all of our Christmas decorations, and one of my favorite things was to watch Lucy's reaction when I put up our Christmas tree and all the lights came on. That made me smile. And my pow that I want to share is I'm sad that I don't get to see all of your smiling faces today, but I look forward to seeing them after Thanksgiving. We're going to go right into our number talks, and for our number talk on Monday, it's Make It Monday. So students will mentally figure out how many more they would need to make the given number. So this is something that KA we do every single Monday, and every single day we do number talks, but for Mondays we do Make It Monday. So we also encourage students to explain their thinking to why they got the number that they did. So our first one is how many more to make 6? So in our picture it shows a dice, and the dice has 3 dots on it. So how many more would I need to make 6? Trying to give you a little bit of time to think about it. You would need 3 more. So the number sentence that you would have would be 3 plus 3 equals 6. Our next one says, how many more to make 7? And if you look at our dice has 5 dots. How many more do you need in order to make 7? Two more. 5 plus 2 equals 7. Here, I can fix that. Here we go. 5 plus 2 equals 7. How many more to make 9? If there are 2 dots, how many more to make 9? Seven more. 2 plus 7 equals 9. How many more to make 10? There are 2 dots. How many more would you need to make 10? You would need 8 more. 2 plus 8 equals 10. How many more to make 10? You have 4 on your dice this time. How many more dots would we need in order to make 10? Six more. 4 plus 6 equals 10. Now we're going to go to our calendar. And our calendar says November. So let's go ahead and count to find the number of today. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. It is Monday, November 23rd. let's sing our November song. Leaves are falling, winter's calling, we are thankful for our friends. November, it's November once again. Today is Monday, November. We said that it was Monday, November 23rd. (2020). Today is Monday, November 23rd, November 23rd, 2020, 2020, that's the date, that's the date. Today is Monday. If today is Monday, yesterday was Sunday. Tomorrow will be, up here's Monday, tomorrow will be Tuesday. What's the weather? What's the weather? What's the weather like today? Is it sunny? Is it cloudy? Is it rainy today? Well, where I am at right now, the weather is cloudy. So I'm going to add just the cloudy. And I'm going to graph one cloudy day in November. And I'm going to check the temperature. So the temperature right now is 35 degrees. So I'm going to go back to our calendar and I'm going to write 35. I am writing with a mouse, so it's a little bit harder to try my very best with our my handwriting. 35 degrees Fahrenheit. Now, when you check the temperature in our classroom, you might not get 35. You might have a warmer day or a colder day when you check the weather. But when I check the temperature today, it's 35 degrees Fahrenheit. We're going to add a day. So I'm going to drag one up into our ones place. Now, how many are in our ones place? 2. And what number is in my tens place? 6. So the big number that I created was 62. How many days of kindergarten? 62 days. And I have wrote 62 on our growing number line. So when we come to school, we will still have a growing number line with our numbers 62 on them. All right, thank you so much, kindergarten. I hope that you have a sweet rest of your day.